What effect does the coronavirus have on the real estate market? Tune in to Tom's Take to find out. If you've been watching the news, listening to anybody, coronavirus is a real health threat right now in the entire US and across the world. And I'm not going to give you some medical advice or tell you what you should and shouldn't do. The big question I've been getting is what's it going to do to the real estate market? And here's what I know. We have been through this before. Y2K, the swine flu, SARS, the bird flu, Ebola, Zika virus, all these things have threatened the market. And there's a lot of noise out there when it comes to news and other things that are happening. So we've been through these things before, and the real estate market was not negatively affected. So when it comes to this coronavirus issue, there's a couple things that are important to note. One, it's not a new virus. This is not something that has just come out of nowhere that no one's prepared to deal with. It's a new strain. Secondly, if you look at the back of like a Lysol bottle or a Clorox wipe, it will show you that those particular products will disinfect against coronavirus. It's listed right on the label. So if you're worried about what's going on with the real estate market, here's what I'm going to tell you. First things first, everyone should be washing their hands more than usual. This is like the basic 101 way to make sure that you're not contracting anything. So I'm not telling you anything that we don't know. When we had the swine flu, President Obama came out and said the same thing. So let's get into the market data. The first thing I'll tell you is if you're thinking about making a real estate decision, I got 3 points. One is don't buy into the noise. There are people buying and selling homes every day since this news came out. Homes are selling with multiple offers just like they were before the news came out. Rates are still historically low and inventory is historically low, increasing buyer affordability and increasing demand. So positives for buyers and positive for sellers. Don't buy into the noise. Secondly, if you're thinking about investing in stocks, now's the time to do it. The stock market just went on sale. Hasn't affected the real estate market too much, especially locally here, except rates have come down, which has helped sellers and helped buyers. So number 2, if you're thinking about investing in stocks, now's the time to do it. Call your financial advisor and get more intel on the companies that you're interested in investing in. And number 3, continue to work your plan. If you're looking to upgrade with your family, don't put everything on hold because you might miss out on a great opportunity. In fact, now, because of all this noise that's out there, it's no different than an election when there's a lot of hesitation and people pause. You might be able to get a little better house, a little better deal on a property, get a little more money for your home because you're informed and know what's going on rather than acting in fear. So if you have a plan to upgrade, you have a plan to sell. Coronavirus is certainly a health threat, and I don't know anything about that stuff. I'm giving you just facts and information. What I want to share with you is don't deviate from your plan. Think about investing in some stocks, and don't buy into the noise because a lot of the noise and the media and fake news and all that sort of stuff, it's meant to get a reaction out of people, not help them make decisions. If you got questions about this, you know where to reach me. Contact direct. Otherwise, we'll be back next week.